Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, kembali lagi channel saya ZMV. Oke guys, hari ini saya dapat orderan Gojek ya guys. Sonya ya? Sonya ya? Ya. Don't wanna start that to guess that I'm on the show. I got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So Friday, you already know. Turn that to games on my money show. What's your name, babe?